Hi, this is Laura Homan, Quality Assurance Director with StraightScore. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up user accounts in Shoot Pro Cloud. Keep in mind that each person who will work in your Shoot operations will need a user account. Each user account is accessed by the user's email and password. Let's take a look at a roster of user accounts. You will want to log in as usual. Once you log in, you find yourself at the club dashboard. This is exactly where you want to start. In the upper left-hand corner, you see the hamburger icon. You want to click on that one time. Next, you want to go to Manage User Accounts. This is a listing of all of the accounts that are assigned to our Shoot. Different people have different roles, and those roles can be changed once they are created. Let's take a look at someone's role before we begin creating a user. To edit a user's account, you want to click on the Edit button located to the left of the name. This shows you the user's name, the user's role, and it also shows you that you can change a password as well as the user. In addition, there's an additional tab that lets you disable a user's account if by chance that person should no longer have access to Shoot Pro Cloud. In this case, my role is that of administrator. That means I can do score entry, squatting, classification, cashiering, accounting, and obviously administration. If you make changes to a user's account, you would click on the Save. Obviously, I'm not going to make a change to mine, therefore I can just close. When you look at the roles in your listing of accounts, notice that there are very few that are identified as administrator, and that's the way it should be. Most of your roles are going to be that of score entry, classifier, cashier. Now that you're familiar with user accounts, let's actually create a new user. In the upper right corner is the new user icon. Left click once. You'll need that user's email address. Then just complete the rest of the information as listed. Once you get to roles, you want to take a look at each of the roles by left clicking on the roles. You'll notice everything from score entry to admin, just like we saw earlier. We're now going to select cashier because Cameron is a beginning cashier, therefore we do not want him issuing refunds. That would be a role for the accountant. And then we would create a password for Cameron. Once we're finished, we click on Save. And you'll now notice that Cameron is in the listing of users and may now use Shoot Pro Cloud. If Cameron's responsibilities change and he is going to be issuing refunds, we would go to the Edit button, we would click on the role of cashier, and we would increase his role and responsibility to accountant. Once we're finished, we would save. As a reminder, let's say that Carl Classifier is no longer working in Shoot operations. We can go to Additional, we can disable Carl's account, we can say yes, disable it, and we can save. You'll notice that now disabled is labeled next to Carl's name. Let's say that Carl comes back and Carl is going to work at the Shoot. All we have to do is edit, additional, uncheck the disabled, yes, we want to enable his account, and we save. And now Carl will be able to use the same email and the same password to log in. And that's as simple as it is to set up your users. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments or contact us via the club dashboard. Additional resources are available in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to see when we post new tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Thank you for watching.